I am Cyril J. Lim de la Cruz, a 19-year-old first-year civil engineering student from the Technological University of the Philippines, Cavite campus. As a Dean's Lister, I have shown dedication, perseverance, discipline, and strong academic performance in my studies. I have gained hands-on experiences as a site engineer through practical project at school, specifically at our civil engineering shop. I even serve as a project manager on several projects. I am a hardworking, adaptable, and eager to learn, making me confident in my ability to contribute to your company. Joining Triconics Construction Corporation excites me as it aligns with my passion for civil engineering and aspiration to grow professionally. Even this is a part-time job, I know that I can grow, I could learn, and enhance my skill in this company. That's why I hope to work with you in the future. Well, I haven't directly used AutoCAD or other CAD softwares as I don't have a license to operate it since I'm a student. However, I'm eager to learn and familiarize myself with this tool. Also, I always watch videos on YouTube on how to operate it. Furthermore, my technical background and problem-solving skills makes me confident to acquire a new skill. If you will teach me how to operate this. I am always ready to acquire necessary knowledge to excel in any project that requires a AutoCAD or CAD expertise. I ensure accuracy and attention to detail by following a systematic approach in a logical way that begins with a thorough research and data collection. I carefully cross-check the calculations and use reliable softwares like AutoCAD, Revit, tools to validate the accuracy of my design. Also, try to communicate with other engineers to check for my mistakes or for any mistakes or errors in my plan so that I'm aware and I am 100% sure that this project will be success. At multiple stages of the process, I review my work to identify any discrepancies or potential areas for improvement. I actively seek feedback from colleagues and mentors as their insights often help me refine my work or the project. Through this comprehensive approach, I maintain a precise and high standard in my project with high accuracy and precision. As a civil engineering student, I approach challenges by staying calm and analyzing the situation thoroughly. I start by identifying the root of the cause of the problem and gather all the relevant information to better understand the issues in the project or in the site. Then I brainstorm and think of the potential solutions. I also consult or seek advice to my professors or other colleagues or higher ups so that I can get some insights or idea on how to solve this problem. By applying this critical thinking and teamwork with others, I develop a practical and effective solution to overcome obstacles. I believe that challenges is not an enemy, but an opportunity for growth, and I view them as a chance to strengthen my problem solving skills and the way I adapt to different problems. As you know, we are here in this field, the field of civil engineering, where a lot of innovations, new inventions, and new technologies are coming out in the market in a fast manner. So, excuse me, it is crucial for us to understand, to know, and to learn what is the new to the market so that we can use it into our projects or works. This can help us to be more efficient and to be more precise in our work. So, I actively seek out learning opportunities by reading some academic journals or searching through internet or the industry publication and online resources such as Reddit. I also ask my colleagues to what is the new to the market so that I'm aware and I can use it or search it if it is related to my project. I also attend seminars, workshops, and webinars whenever possible to gain insights from experts in the different field. Engaging in discussions with my professors and peers often introduces me to a new concept and technologies. Additionally, I participate in student organizations and professional groups to stay connected to industry trends. This proactive approach keeps me informed about emerging innovations and the best practices or systems newly in the field. Managing or handling multiple responsibilities in a project is very crucial. It is hard to manage your time, especially when there is a deadline. But thanks to the new technologies, to the devices we use in our everyday life, we can integrate it and use it on making a schedule. And that's what I did. I use my devices, my applications such as calendars, notes, and reminder to remind me on what schedule do I need to do today. I use tools like to-do list and put my schedules there to organize my tasks and set a clear deadlines. I prioritize based on the urgency and the complexity of each task, ensuring a critical components are addressed first. I also break larger tasks into smaller or chunks so that I can manage to step by step to process and to maintain steady progress. If needed, I communicate with team members or professors to align priorities and avoid bottlenecks. This approach helps me to stay focused, efficient, and on track to meet the project deadlines or goals. Especially here in engineering, that the scopes or the deadlines is very important. I also integrate the Gantt chart. The Gantt chart is introduced by my professor, and that Gantt chart is a timeline on what you should do on this date. Using the Gantt chart, I efficiently finish or efficiently manage my task and do it in a systematic manner. And that's how I manage my multiple responsibilities in a project. Thank you for having your time. I hope we can work together in the future and you can guide me to learn some new insights and skills. Once again, thank you.